Are you ready to be amazed? AI from self-driving cars is now fighting malaria. This is gonna blow your mind. In his recent blog post, Bill Gates highlights a groundbreaking shift in malaria prevention, using AI tech from self-driving cars to combat mosquito-borne diseases. Yep, you heard that right. Meet the VectorCam. This revolutionary app, developed by Dr. Soumya Acharya's team, employs computer vision to quickly identify mosquito species. Imagine local health workers pinpointing mosquitoes on the spot, enhancing data collection and boosting disease control efforts. And it doesn't stop there. Emerging innovations like HumBug are also stepping into the ring, using sound detection to track mosquito activity. Why does this matter? By using computer vision to identify mosquitoes, we're taking a giant leap forward in public health. This tech helps us better target health strategies, pushing us closer to eradicating deadly diseases like malaria. If you're intrigued by AI and public health, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more mind-blowing updates. See you next time.